Hello humans, and welcome to our channel where we explore the latest and most exciting developments in artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into the world of real-time AI and the groundbreaking GPT-4 technology. Let's uncover how these innovations are revolutionizing industries and changing the way we interact with technology. Rapid AI development. Firstly, let's talk about the astonishing pace of AI development. In just the past year, we've seen leaps in AI capabilities, with GPT-4 and voice prompting leading the charge. These advancements are not just incremental, they represent a quantum leap in our ability to interact with and utilize AI in our daily lives. AI in Notion. Moving on to practical applications, consider the AI Q&A feature in tools like Notion. This feature exemplifies how AI can streamline information access, making it incredibly efficient for tasks such as organizing sponsorship. It's a testament to how AI can simplify complex processes and make our work more productive. Real-time image generation. Imagine an AI that can create and modify images as you type. That's the reality with today's real-time AI. This technology can generate images in response to prompts and update them in real time, offering unprecedented levels of creativity and flexibility in visual content creation. AI and programming. One of the most transformative aspects of current AI technology is its potential to change programming paradigms. AI-powered natural language interfaces are enabling even those without technical backgrounds to create complex images and designs. This democratization of technology creation is a game changer, opening up new possibilities for innovation and creativity. Enhancing images with AI. AI's ability to enhance images in real time is another groundbreaking development. With this technology, original content can be updated and improved within seconds, adding intricate details and creative elements that were previously impossible or time-consuming to achieve. Generative AI video technology. Let's not forget about Pika 1.0 and its role in generative AI video technology. This development is particularly exciting as it pushes the boundaries of what's possible in video content creation, offering new tools and capabilities for creators and professionals alike. Meta's Audio Box research. The speed of AI advancements is further exemplified by Meta's Audio Box research. This is just one example of how rapidly the field is evolving, with new discoveries and applications emerging at an unprecedented pace. AI in scientific research. Finally, let's discuss AI's impact on scientific research. AI systems have designed over 2.2 million new crystal structures, with a significant number predicted to be stable and synthesizable. This showcases AI's potential in accelerating scientific discovery and innovation, opening new frontiers in research and development. Conclusion. In conclusion, the world of AI is evolving faster than ever, with technologies like GPT-4 leading the way. These developments are not just technical feats, they are reshaping industries, enhancing creativity, and expanding the horizons of what's possible. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the ever-evolving world of technology.